Hello, welcome to Nancy Chinese class. Today we talk about where it is. Okay, that's we start. And where we always use the 在 and 在 that means at in on. 之爱在 and plus 哪儿 that means where. And 在哪儿 is phrases always used in questions. Okay, we need the 在哪儿 okay 在哪儿 yes okay we use this to make some sentences. If we want to ask where is your home, because we know your, we say 你的 and your home we always say 家 and 你的家 is your home okay and but this short one we just always say 你家 they have the same meaning but when we just daily we always say 你家 short one okay but the meaning is your home okay and plus today's are very important phrases 在哪儿 okay repeat after me 你家在哪儿 okay that is ask where's your home okay the next one if you want to ask where is his home okay his home we say short one we always say 他家 okay and plus 在哪儿 okay 他家在哪儿 if you want to ask where is the bathroom okay this question is very useful right and the bathroom we always say 厕所厕私卧所厕所 is toilet and plus 在哪儿 we can say 厕所在哪儿 if we ask where's the school how to say about this because school is 学校西园学西奥校 and always plus 在哪儿学校在哪儿 okay and where we say 在哪儿 and always we have another way to say about this they have the same meaning we also say 在哪里在哪儿在哪里 they have the same meaning okay yeah they all can use to ask where just if we ask where is the hospital we say 医院医院 is hospital and always plus today we have learned 在哪儿 yeah we also can say 医院在哪里 yes 医院在哪儿医院在哪里 they have the same meaning and if we want to ask where's the restaurant we always say 饭店饭店 is SHK1 vocabularies okay 饭店 okay this one 饭 that means rice and 店 that means shop and this phrase 饭店 that means restaurant we can say plus 在哪儿饭店在哪儿 but also we can ask just 在哪里饭店在哪里 they have the same meaning okay yes the next one 在 okay 在at in on and sometimes we can use this to answer the question 在 we can plus the place okay just like this 在 if we say 北京在北京 in Beijing that means okay Beijing is capital of China we also can say 在上海Shanghai is big city in China and 在上海 that means in Shanghai okay we always plus place Okay, the next one, just like this dialogue. If girl asks, where's home? We can say, 你家在哪儿? And this boy just answer. But we notice this time, 你 use the ask question, but the answer, I, we use the 我. 我家在北京. Yes, and 在北京, 在 plus place can use answer the question. Okay, this question is, 你家在哪儿? 我家在北京. The next one, if the girl asks, where is his home? 他家在哪儿? And this time, we also use the 他 his home. 他家在香港. 香港 is Hong Kong. We say 香港. Okay, this question is, 他家在哪儿? 他家在香港. Okay, this one, we just say this. And the 在, we can plus the place. And if we say here and there, we also can use the 在. And the 在这儿, that means here, is here. 在这里, the same meaning. And the 在这边, these three phrases, they have the same meaning. That means here. Okay? We also say there, over there. It's over there, we can say 那. And the 那里, 那边, they have the same meaning. These three phrases, 那里, 那边, they have. Okay, this is 在, and we have 这儿 and 那. And also can use these short sentences to answer the question. Okay, for example, if one people want to ask where is the bathroom, we say 厕所. 厕所在哪儿? And the other people maybe answer is here. Okay, we can say 在这里. You also can answer about this. 在这边. You also can say 在这儿. They have the same meaning. Okay, just like this. 厕所在哪儿? 在这里. 厕所在哪儿? 在这边. 厕所在哪儿? 在这儿. They have the same meaning. And also have a dialogue. Okay, if a girl want to ask, where is the hospital? At this time, hospital is 医院. We also can use 医院在哪儿 to ask about this question. But the same meaning, we also can say 医院在哪里 to ask about this question. They have the same meaning. But the answer over there, we can say 在那里. We also can say 在那边. And also we can say 在那. Okay, just this question, just like this. 医院在哪儿? 在那里. 医院在哪里? 在那边. 医院在哪儿? 在那. Okay, just about this dialogue, we can use this way to answer and ask questions. Okay, so, two different ways to ask, but they have the same meaning. And three ways to answer about these questions, but they still have the same meaning. Next one, we just summarize today's lesson tips. And ask where, we also, the pronunciation is 哪, the third time. Third time just like sing a song. So, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa. 哪. That means where. Ask where, we also use these phrases 在哪儿. And today's lesson, we also have learned that we say na. Na is fourth tongue. You still notice their Chinese character is similar, but different, right? And the na, the left, still have a ko. That means mouth. But the na, just not have this ko. Okay? And the na is the first tongue. First tongue, just we sing a song. So fa mi re do, very quickly and short. We say na. Na, that means there, over there. We say 在哪儿. Okay, this is about today's lesson. Okay, I hope you like today's lesson. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe my Chinese channel. See you next time. Bye bye.